The data can be represented in the form of graphics is called visualizations. Are you clear now? Let's get back to this. Who can audience listen and practice with me? The audiences could be business analytics, BA guys, business analytics, and the next one, data analytics. The next part is data analytics, and the next one, data scientist, and whoever wants to represent. So there the audience can watch the work with me. There the audiences can watch the things, guys. Pretty clear? So there the audiences can watch the things. Team, I hope understand. Watch this lecture, this sessions. Okay, so the fourth one, who am I? So my name is K. Prakash Senapathi. So you can catch me on my LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn platform. I will share the LinkedIn platform where you can see my experiences, what's my company experiences. This is what my profile. So when I open my GitHub, so I have huge amount of experiences in corporate sector. I just work with many practical. This is all expertise I have. So this is my portfolio where you can catch me on LinkedIn. So if my old students, you know me, and if the new students, welcome for corporate world. Okay. So I'm sharing this to you in the chat window. So in YouTube, live screen is black only. Would you please check? Oh, is it? Let me check. Let me check. Is this live screen is black? Okay. One moment. Can you hold on some time? I will discuss with my team and get back to you. Okay, guys? Thank you. Thank you, Suresh, for update me. Yes, Ganesh, in the meantime, I will talk attendance. Allow to talk. Yeah, unmute you, Ganesh. What's your query, buddy? The black YouTube live కావట్లే ఒకసారి చూడండి ఒకసారి బ్లాక్ అవుతుంది. Okay. Good, sir. Continue. Okay. Guys, YouTube live is going on. Can you check, please? This link which I shared to you. Just give me a quick confirmation. Please check this. Yeah. Naveen, does it continue? Ganesh, I will talk to you after the class. All right, buddy? Yeah. So just let's give a quick information and then we'll continue. Everyone, are you listening me? Are you listening to me? Yeah. చెప్పండి వస్తుందా కంటిన్యూ చేయండి స్టాప్ అయింది ఓకే 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 స్టార్టింగ్ రైట్ వర్కింగ్ ఓకే 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 థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ సెకండ్ okay, I think I need to share another file. Just one moment, 2 minutes, guys. Sorry for, I want to just, okay, that link is not working. Might be another link is working. Let me share that link and then we'll start the practical. First, I will teach you one live use case. Let's copy and, okay. Now this is what live link. Okay. So let's copy and I will paste here. Okay. Now check this one. I hope it's working, guys. The second link which I posted, it's working now. Just go for it. Okay, so I hope perfect. Thank you, guys. So sorry for that because I just have to check everything or else it's going live. Okay, that's cool. Good. So you can, I will share my LinkedIn account as well. So you can also connect to me for any further discussions about agentic AI, any further discussions about all those things. All right. So let me post in the chat window for everything and we can continue today's session. Okay. Just one moment. Let me paste it. This is my LinkedIn account. You can catch me. Okay. So are you getting my point? So what are the topic we done? So my introductions, you can catch me on LinkedIn. And this is topic visualizing data with Matplotlib. And what is graph? The visuals you can see in stock market, IPL matches, and everywhere. And even though if you go to the hospital, a doc can explain the disease in the form of graphs. So without graphs, there is no much dashboards, no much analysis reports, not much. You can't do things in proper way. So data representations in the form of graphics is called visualizations. Who can audience, guys? Business analytics, data scientist can watch the sessions. This practical for non-technical, this practical for technical, this practical for everyone who wants to get into the IT market, get into the software market. Okay, my name. Let's talk about. I will try to show you one business use case. Let's discuss one business use case. Once I continue the business use case, then we do the practical sessions. Okay, I does everybody get ready before practical? Does everyone okay for the practical? Yes, guys. Let's do for business use case. But before business use case, let's little talk about practical part. So what is when I talk about practical? Let's I will show you one reports. Just refer to this. The first look is business use case. In today's session, in today's session, we try to build a interactive sales and profit monitoring dashboard for small retail business. For example, most of the time we people are we do a retail businesses for sales profit. Okay, everyone start up their own venture. So how this visualizations would help to find out a great insights of your business. That's what is all about. We're going to do it pretty clear. So the next thing is, this is what business use case: interactive sales profit monitoring dashboard for small retail business, and also objective to provide business owners and analysts with web-based visualizations tool to monitor, interpret monthly sales profit trends. Everything we try to find out here, guys. For example, you have a business here. For example, you have a business here. Just one moment. Just one moment. Okay. So assume you have a business, guys. So business, you want to expand your business different city. Let's talk about you want a business in Hyderabad, Delhi, and Bangalore and Chennai. Being being a head of your business, being a CEO business, you need to track how many sales happens on entire the so you have to create a dashboard for it. You want to see the graph rather than you can see them in Excel sheets. Agree or not, team? So this is all those things important. Pretty clear? So just one moment. Okay, here we go. Annotations and okay. So let's talk about now. So okay, yep, done. So who are stakeholders? Small retail business owners, sales managers, financial analyst, marketing team. These are the stakeholders. And key features, we try to build a interactive charts like line chart, bar chart, pie chart, scatter chart, histogram, box plot to analyze sales and profit of trends, guys. I mean, no complex in this today we're going to do a project with no complex installations, no library installations, nothing we're going to do. We just try to build a fantastic app, fantastic code we're going to build today. So this practical would help for a small business. What is problem statement of a business? When you try to work business on Excel sheets, spreadsheets, to track performance. It take a lot of time, which make difficult to analyze trends. So that's the reason to solve this specific problem statement. What are the problems you encounter when you try to work with Excels? A lack of automated interactive visualization should be missed. Sometimes Excel will hang when you try to create a graph. Whatever you want to do, it exactly not you will get in the form of in spreadsheets, guys. So difficulty in spotting monthly performance trends and outliers. No easy way to compare metrics like sales and profit. So this is all. We don't want to depend on paid BI tools also. See, Power BI also paid software, Tableau also paid software. So rather than paid, if you know little Python programming with Matplotlib comes into the picture. So Matplotlib is the library comes into the picture. Are you getting my point, guys? So in this project today, easy interactive dashboards using Python. We code in Python and we deploy in Gradio app, and that we provide to our vendors, CEO, CTO, and we'll select various charts types and monthly performance, guys. All right. So we quickly identify which months had the best and worst profit, detect correlations among sales and profit, and understood the profit distributions using statistical plots. Are you guys getting my point? Are you understand the business? So let me talk about the business use case. Are you clear? Please answer me. Please answer me. Yes. Yeah. Yes, guys. So what is task? What is use case and why to work? So business use case is nothing but we try the trends. We try to find the trends, patterns of the small business. And we rather than we depends on rather we depends on paid BI tools, depends on paid BI tools. So by learning a simple Python Matplotlib library, okay, Python library, so we can find the insights of the business. Understood you? Pretty clear? So that's what, because spreadsheets things would be delay and we. So before I go back, first go to Google and I want to say Python Matplotlib documentations. I want everyone to go to Google and refer the Matplotlib documentations. Today we're going to do the practical, so everyone will work with me. Okay, just go here and just try this one. One moment. So up to this, okay. So this part, Google and Matplotlib GitHub. Just refer to the Matplotlib GitHub and also refer to the Matplotlib. Okay, so when you go to the Matplotlib, you can have all those things, guys. You can, yeah. So would you notice this? This is Matplotlib. Now you can refer this. You can always refer to the Wikipedia as well. So when you refer to the Wikipedia, it is clearly given Matplotlib. This is main part from MATLAB, and it's for plotting and libraries. Plotting library for Python programming language, and it is numerical. Also, it is extensions of NumPy. It is GUI toolkit. Internally, it works well with Kinter, XX Python, GTK, all of them you have, guys. So you can refer the documentations. I hope you know all about MATLAB. So PyPlot is a Matplotlib module that provides by MATLAB like interfaces. Pretty clear? So Matplotlib designed to usable as MATLAB with by using Python, and it's absolutely free. You can try to plot these graphs: line plot, histogram, scatter plots, 3D graph, contour plot, polar plot, image plot, box plot, pie chart, you heat map, all of them you're going to do this. So here I'm going to tell you just one thing. Matplotlib is one of the powerful library. Matplotlib is combination of let's say your linear algebra, also sometimes math expressions and graphics, and it's one of the super powerful library everyone can use. Everybody can use. A fresher, experience, a mid experience, okay, even the data engineer, all the platform people can use Matplotlib. Okay. So let's go to the practical now. Let's go to the practical, or you can say a coding session. Let's talk about the practical. The first one, what is business use case? The business use case, just now we discussed, like we want to provide a good reports to my stakeholders to see and analysis the reports which created by the dev team, okay, or we are a developer, the dev team. So the first one, shall we continue everybody? Please go ahead. Shall we continue everyone? Let's start now. Okay. Yeah, practical. Now we continue. I want everyone go to Google and type Google Colab. Can you please type Google Colab? Just go to the Google and here and you write as Google Colab. Just open Google Colab. So when you open the Google Colab, let's open the first link. Let's open the first link. So this is the first link. Can please answer me and you work with me. Did you got this first options? Just go to Google Colab and then you can notice as you can get a options like create new notebook. I want to create a new notebook. Let me know once you're done. Let me know once you're done. You can say done, type D so that I can got to know you guys done. So my voice is clear, team. Does my voice is clear or any echo? Everything is fine. So please continue and we start working now the practical. So what are the topic we done so far? My introductions, I gave it to you. And the next part is we talk about like what is business use case, how the small organizations can depends on Python code, and we try to create some nice reports to them. Let's do it. So please open to the Google Colab and new notebook. Okay, new notebook. Have you done this? Okay, so let's go back and new notebook. So I want to, let's create new notebook. It will take some time. Okay, do you see? This is what kernel. Did you write this one? You can save your file. I want you to, online team, did you open this? Did you open this? You got the interface, I mean, a platform like this. This is coding screen where anyone can code. Anyone can code. If you want to add new cell, this is called cell, guys. This is called cell. All right, guys. This is called cell. I want to add a new cell. Just code, 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 code. I'm going to open a new cell because I want to, I think the high charts library is also graph how are these different and advantages. I think the high, what is mean by Rajiv, right? Proper man. I think the high chart library. What is high chart library? How are these different? Please watch it. I will talk to you at last. Okay, Rajiv? Okay. So next one. What is kernel? Naveen. When you live, what is heart? Heart means kernel. Are you getting my point? So when you open the platform in this year, it's not kernel. So I mean to say when you, we use which software? Google software, guys. Okay. So we have a CPU. Google provides GPU. What is GPU? We're working on this platform and this is what where you can open. And I want you to rename the file. So workshop, you can write matplotlib, matplotlib workshop. Okay, so I can write as Matplotlib workshop. Please write down Matplotlib workshop and dot save, enter. Do you see rename a file? Rename a file is done. Please answer me. Everyone, yes. Just you said type D, that's it. D for done. Great. Let's try to write. We will try to see the first one. I need one data for that. Let me increase my font so it's better, you can see it better way, right? Import, okay, hold on now. Okay, cancel. So import pandas as PD. Why I'm saying import pandas as PD? I need to create a report or some kind of data to visualize, right? Right now, I don't have any data. So I want to make one data. How to write a data? To create a data, I need to use pandas. Pandas we use for data frames. Let's try to assume I want to create, let's say, I have, I have, let's say I take some of the reports like I want to say the reports. I want to create a reports. What reports I can build right now? Let's talk about month. I want to see the month and I will consider, let's take it as list now. And I'll not take 12 months report. I want to see my business 6 months transitions, Jan month, and I do Feb month. And then we can go for March month and then April month and then May month up to June month enough. I want to take a small data creates, let's say June month. Okay, great. And I'll put it as comma because I have to. So I put them in a list. So this is list data structure. So what is list? Python inbuilt data structures. And after that, I want to know my sales. Let's check some random numbers. January month, my sale happened as 10,000 or maybe let's say 10,000 or 1 lakh. So let's take like 10,000. That would be fine. And it's going to be 12,000 for Feb month. March month, let's talk about 15,000. And this is going to be 13,000. And here we go, 17,000. And let's talk about 16,000 because let's a dip happened here. So 10,000 Jan sales, Feb sales 12,000, March sales 15,000, April sales 13,000. So guys, are you working with me? Are you working with me? Just may I know how many of them work with me? May I know how many? Rajiv, are you working? Or you know it? So guys, the one who know it, that's fine. I will take all of your questions if you have any. So Matplotlib is libraries. I'm working. So how many of them working? May I know, please? So assume you have a business. You start. Akshay, you're working. Great. Okay. So just type W. That's it. W for working. So this is all about sales. This is all about sales. And this is all about profit. So this is all about profit. So now here, so Jan sale, Feb sale, March sale, April sale, Jan, Feb, March, April, May. Okay. So this is what happening sales and now profit. Let's talk about if the sales happen, I must be get some profit. Chalo yahin pe 2,000 profit and let's write it down 3,000 profit and let's write it down 4,000 profit. Let's write it down in this month. Let's dip it down. Dip thoda dip ho gaya and it has a dip here 2, 3, 4. And then I can talk about 3,500 here and then 3,000. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. So I hope understand. I want to make a simple reports where with report only I can see my graph, isn't it? So just 1 second. And finally, I'll create a df pd dot data frame data. So I have df print df. This is data. Now let's execute. Let me check. Great. I want to ask, do you create this report? Please answer me. How many of them got this report? How many of them got this report? Please tell me. Did you got this output? Please write this query. Done. Suresh, done? Yeah. Yes. How many of them done? Just type D. Just type D. Once you're done, just go and type D. Yes, done, done, done. Great. Great, great. Everyone got it. Amazing. Cool. Cool. Are you working? Anyone face issues? Anyone face issue? No problem. The session is in live. I want everyone to just go to the platform and here, this is the YouTube live link is going on. You can share to your friends. or you just liked it. And this session, I need more likes from you. Okay, so so that I'll bring more upcoming advanced topics as well. So this is just a basic part I'm considering. I'll do more fantastic sessions on A2A MCP, agentic AI. I done a lot of sessions. I will share you all the notes in later part of the class. Okay, are you done, guys? What is first step we done? This is practical first step. Second step, we we what we guys got, we create a data set. We create a data set. That means we created data to visualize. Great. Third step. Let's go to the third one. After done, I want to create a small report. Now, which session is all about? Import matplotlib. Import matplotlib dot pyplot. Do you see? I'm not going to type anything. The moment when I type, I just use tab options. So the first matplotlib library dot pyplot as PLT. Okay, it's done. And I want to, let's see, I want to plot the graph sales. I want to see my sales. What is my sales trends? Because you can't find out the sales trends by look an Excel sheet. So it's better. I want to plot the graphs here. Plt.figure. Plt.figure means you can just tab fig size. I want to reduce the fig size to 8 comma 5, or maybe you can, 8 means width of the graph, 8 means width of the graph, 5 means height of the graph. Pretty clear? So I want to plt.plot. I want to plt.plot. So I'll say df, okay, data frame, because this df is data frame here. And once I go to the df data frame, I want to know my monthly sales, guys. I want to know my monthly sales, and comma df, I want to do as sales, df dot sales. All right, guys. And then I put it as color. Let's talk about color equals to blue. Blue is a string, so that's why I put them in two quotes, guys. Month, if you see month is a string or not, so that's why I put them in. This df also sales, I put them in. And I want to see the marker equals to, let's marker equal to o marker, and line style. So you can see the line styles. Okay, line style equals to, let's talk about here, I can say single dots line style, and label spelling equals to, let's talk about sales. Good. So now check this. Are you done this, guys? Are you done this? So are you understood what happened? So here what do we do? Plt dot plot month. Okay, so when I say df dot month, let's copy. You can execute this df month. You got all month informations, right? Jan, Feb. Now when you say sales, what happened? So when you say sales, let's copy, and you can put as, you can put as sales, and you can try them. Okay, so now execute. Okay, so we got month end sales. I want to see the reports now. Month end sales. I want to see the graph. So that's why I mentioned this. Pretty clear? Please answer me. So first we considered plt.plot month sales, color blue. You change any color, marker O, line style, and then label equal to sales. Let me know once you're done, guys. Okay. So the next part, what I'm going to do now, I want to make plt dot title. Okay, plt dot title. Let's, what is title? Sales uh over, sales over time, or sales over months, sales trend. I can say like sales trends over months. All right, so this is what I want to make a title. So I want to make as x level month and y level sales. Sales should be the dollar sign, or let's say I put that in dollar here so that it would be more understandable. I want to plot a grid, legend.show. Let's try. Okay, line styles. Line style. Why it is getting error? STYLE. So line 2D got unexpected argument. What happened here? So now let's check this marker O, line styles. Just 1 second. Now execute. Still. Anyone got the output? Let's try. What is error, guys? Attribute line 2D got an keyword argument. Line styles. Okay. No, still we'll check this. Great. Are you got this graph now? Please let me know. Are you got this graph? I will share the code. Let's copy and I'll post in the chat window and execute. Can you please copy and paste it, guys? Can you please copy and paste? Let me know. So what is trends you got now? I want to check reduce my graph size to, let's talk to 6 and 3. Now execute. Great. This graph is so nice now. So how many of them done? Done. What kind of trend you found? Anyone, guys? How many of them completed? How many of them done this, guys? Pretty clear. Please do this show. Done. Anyone got an issue? So can I go to the next one? Online team, can you hear me? Online team, can you hear me? I mean, yeah, yes. So how many got output? How many got output? How many got the visuals? Do you see what you see the visuals? Sales in January month sales 10,000. Feb sales happened increased and March sales happen. So what it will do? You see, if you remove the grid, it will create a grid line, buddy. That's it. If I execute false, do you see the background grid hat gaya? When you try true, so the background grid is there. You got it now, Rishikesh? All right, grid. Now you got it. So guys, what is grid? Grid means you backend the graphs are there. So what do you see the find out here? Jan, Feb, March. So the sales till March it is increase and Feb it's decrease. Again April to May it's increase and then it is decrease. Are you got output? Did you got output? Please let me know. Can I move on to the next one? So what graph we plot right now? How many of them got output, guys? Let me copy the code and I already share it here. Please do it quick. And next part is done. Great, great, done. Just type D. I can also see that the chat uses here. Type D. Please work. There's a two code we've been done. The one who joined recently, I'll copy this code and open a Google Colab. This is the first one type. And this is the second one we type. Okay. Now what is insight? So you can copy this graph and create your Word file or PDF. You can make the explanations to your boss. Okay. So the first graph I can create as, let's put it as a text. I will hash one. So this is called this is called line plot, guys. Okay. Which plot? Let's say line plot sales over time. Okay. Or sales over profit or month versus sale. Lines plots for monthly sales. You can monthly sales. Great. This one we done. Okay, fantastic. This is my first. Can I go to the second now? In second, first I write a code, then we'll go for it. So what is second one? Now, if I show these reports to vendors, stakeholders, customers, are they able to understand or not, guys? Are they able to understand when I share these reports to my vendors, stakeholders, they can easily understand about business, like what is growth of the business, how the business has gone down and up again. It's nice. Okay. Next part, I want to do another uh, monthly sales. This is what we done. This is monthly sales. Now what I'm going to do, sales versus monthly profit. Let's do that monthly profit. Again, what is figure sizes? I considered 6 comma 3. So I'm going to copy this one and I will paste here this figure size. I want to say width of the graph has reduced to 0.3 and plt dot bar graph. Let's see the bar graph. Automatic the code automation has given to me automatic suggestions. You want to bar the graph month, sales, width, color. So all those things. The color, now tab it here. Now tab. So color, I don't want blue. I want to write sky blue. Okay. So let's check color equal to sky blue. Okay. So I don't want labels here. So let me close this. So now the next time plt.bar monthly sales with these and label. Okay. Okay. Let's put it as label also. That's fine. This is color label sales. Okay. So this is width is fine. Pretty clear now. And the next one is, so the next one is, okay, plt.bar we done. I don't want to add this. I want to add another bar plot between profit. I want to need a profit as well. So monthly profit and width is label profit again, color green. Okay, let's color green. And I want to mention a, let's say bottom equals to, okay, let's follow that. Just bottom equal to df sales. Okay, that's good. Now I want to title, I can say sales and profit trends by month, not over, by months. And X level is month, Y level is amount, grid true. Okay, grid true, legend. And I want to as PLT dot, the layout going to be tight. Okay, so legend would be done and PLT dot show. Let's try. Great. Have you see this graph, guys? Now let's copy and I want you to try this. Hello, sir, not able to copy paste the code from here. Oh, you're not able to copy paste, guys? Team, are you able to copy paste? Naveen, what is line style? If you see line style, two dot, now check the graph. What is line style? Line style means these dots, dots, dots. This is called line style. Are you understand, Naveen? Are you understand? Please answer me. This is all about line style. Okay, guys? Yeah. So no, we you cannot able to copy. You cannot able to copy. Okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do, I will share my GitHub once I complete. Can you do it, guys? I will share my GitHub. Can you once I complete that? Okay. In the meantime, you can watch it. Can we send mail to required with scheduling? Siri, what is meant by mail to required scheduling? So guys, can you give me some time? I will, in the meantime, you can write this code. If you write this code, maybe it will take some time. So what I'm going to do, I will anyway, the YouTube is going on. YouTube live is going on. Once I write it, I will share this to you. Pretty clear, guys? Please, online team, answer me yes or no. Online team, I mean, the live audiences. Yeah, done. Great. Yes. So after that, I will finish it. You just stay with me for another 30 minutes and I will code it. And then I will tell you. So, what is the sales profit? Can you please tell me by look at the graph which month the highest profit has happened? Anyone? Look at the graph. Which one highest profit has happened, guys? Which month? Based on a graph. You see a trends, May month. Isn't it May month highest sale, highest profit. Yeah, take a screenshot and copy the code. Yeah, very good, Rishikesh. Guys, can you take a picture? Can you take a picture and you can write it? That is one way. Other way, just allow me some time. I will write the code. I'll give it to you back, and after the you can evening or sometime you can do it. I will share my GitHub file along with all the notes. Are you guys done? Please answer me, yes or no. What is my first use case? The first insight, the first business insight, the first business insight, the first graph, line plot, sales versus profit, sales versus profit. And you can see them very clearly. The sales month versus sale, Jan, so which month the sales down? March to April, sales down, and May to June down, but still the it's a positive trend only. It has positive trend only. Are you guys getting my point? And second graph is all about in January month, the lowest profit happened. So what the business need to focus on next year, the business need to focus more on January month to keep the target up. Got me what I'm saying? So output, can we send email? Yeah, output, you can create a PowerPoint, Sri, and once you do the PowerPoint and make copy this graph, paste in the PowerPoint and mention that monthly reports for next 6 months sales and profit trends by month. And when we build this graph, we found insight January month lowest what guys, lowest profit happened. So next year business needs to be focused on Jan month and April month, and that's the way they got it. Are you guys understand? So this is what. So the next one, this is called what we called the second. We talk about what is the second, guys? This is called bar graph. The second one which we plot is bar plot. Okay, so this is bar plot between month versus profit. Great. Can we go to the third one now? Third one, I want to plot a pie chart. So let's create a pie chart here. So the third one, pie chart between profit and month. Let's build profit versus month. Now see the pie chart, how exactly it looks like. Let's working on it. And in the meantime, you can work, guys, you can type, because I give enough time to type, because if you have slow in typing, then it is little problem. And plt dot figure sizes, I don't 10,6. Last time I'm assigned to 6,3. And here, after done this, plt dot pie itself pie chart, and I want to make df, the first one, profit, df profit. Profit is capital or small? Let's check. Profit, capital P. Okay. If you check the spelling is wrong here, the attribute is wrong, then you might not visualize. So df profit here. And then we talk about labels. Then we go to the labels equals to df of, I'll write as month. I want to know the profit versus month. And I want to say auto PCT, because this one auto PCT, if you see the parameter, this will give you the sizes of the graph. So percent 1.2 F2 percentages, and I want to make as another parameter. So these are the parameters. Based on these parameters, do you see percentages? What is meant by percentages? Auto PCT is a format string to functions. It will apply to the graphs. You can read these parameters, or you can open to the, what we called Matplotlib documentations and read it to this is auto doc string apply to this, guys. Okay. And I want to start. Okay, do you have this parameter start angle? I want to add a start angle to 140, and let's do color here. Which color I want to make? Colors equal to Just plt dot. See, you can't write, but when you write, when you add on more parameters, your graph should be more better look, guys. So paid, I want to, where do I have this? Paid color dot. Okay, no, colors. Okay, great. This now let's check it. So I want to, because see, pie chart, how to do a pie chart, guys. So if you refer, this is pie chart. I mean to say, just try them out. And this is pie chart, right, guys? When this pie chart, I want to break all those things like pie. So when I try to split, I have to use the parameters. So these parameters has been used here. Understand, guys? I mean to say these parameters, if you see them, it's clearly, okay, let me wait. Okay, just automate now. So if you see this profit plt.show, now execute this error positional argument. So, okay, let me check what is error I got. Plt.py and I got profit here. I want to pie chart of profit, comma, labels equal to month, auto PCT. This is okay. Start angles. So START ANGLE colors. In colors part must be I done something wrong. COLORS PLT dot CM dot paired. Okay, so this is should be dot here, paired and colors. Now try them out. Great. Do you see this, guys? So profit by month, this graph I want to make in the form of visuals. You can change this colors, cmt.pair, different colors you can also assign to that. But I want to make a graph size, let's say 10 comma 3. Okay, a little more, let's 10 comma 5. Now do it. Now this graph is much better, isn't it? So look at this, the graph size is increased, paid by month. So by look at the graph, you can see that which month the highest profit happened, guys. Which month the highest profit happened? Now, actually, business leaders talk in the form of percentages. They won't talk about your, what we called. They won't talk about the numbers. I mean, they will talk about what do we say, guys? You have, the percentages profit. 16% is profit. May 19% is March. This is all percentages we have. Guys, are you clear now? Guys, are you clear? Please let me know. Okay, I think you can't see it. You can take a picture of that. If not, you can take a picture of this picture, I mean, code, and you can write it. This is one way. If you're slow in typing, so if you're slow in typing, no problem. So this is happening in the YouTube live session. You can watch it and you can definitely, you can watch it and definitely you can uh, create insights, guys. Clear, guys? Pie chart. I want to drop another graph like scatter charts. Online team, are you understand? So would you tell me, is this better way or not? Scatter chart. What is scatter plot? I want to make a not scatter chart. It's better scatter plot. How the graph scatter plot? Do you know, guys, when any cricket match going on, the graphs are plotted like this. That means there is India score is going like this, Australia score is going like this. These are the scatters. All right. So I will this all those things you have to learn in the subjects. Okay. So let's automate and I want to close, raise it. Let's try. So guys, are you able to understand online people? I mean, live audience, are you understood what's going on? And the student who never code before, and it's a very simple thing. May I know how many of them understood, guys? How many of them understood the topics, what's going on right now? I mean, let's do the scatter plot because let's try to do the scatter plot. Can we start now? Scatter plot, guys. I mean, for do the scatter plots, plt dot figure. Yes, good. So plt dot figure, I want to fig size equals to same figure sizes I created, which is 10 comma 5 now. Let me copy and I will I will make here 10 comma 5. Right after that, I want to plt dot scatter plot. Automatically the code has recommended me to use this options, but I want to add green. I want to add size of the marker is 100. And then I'll say like not marker. I'll remove the marker from this now. Edge colors equals to, let's say, black. That's fine. And now title sales versus profit scatter plot. And again, I want to add plt dot tight layout, which is going to be this one. And true, let's try how it works. Great. Do you see the scatter plot you're able to find out or not, guys? Do you find the scatter plot? But here, if I plot grid, okay. So please, I hope understand. Just one moment. I want to change this to 8 comma 5, 8 comma 5. And here scatter between DF sales profit, monthly sales profit, green and 100 and edge colors black. That's okay. So sales versus profit and sales, that's okay. And grid true and plt dot true. So if you see this one, what happened, guys? Plt dot true. So guys, are you understood? What is profit where you say sales versus profit? So which definitely when the sales is high, profits is high. Agree or not, team? When the sales are high, the profits are high. Yes, team? Correct? I hope understand. When the sales are high, can you please share code of pie chart? Okay, Pratik, 1 second. Pie chart. Let me copy and, oh, hold on. Let me copy and share the pie chart. No, no, no. From, okay, control, import auto. Okay, this is one I shared. Okay, Pratik, I shared. Now scatter plot. Let me share the scatter plot as well. Just do it. Enter. Please let me know. The next one, can we go to the next part, guys? Just I need just one or two graph just left with. And see, very simple code. When so right now I'm just showing with small data set because when I try to explain, maybe most of them are little new user. So that's the reason I'm not getting to more advanced coding. So this is a simple graph. There's a two more graph we pending. After two more graph, I will tell you how to combine all the graph in together. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, guys, that's what I want to go today. So the next part is let's do it. Histogram. This is scatter plot way done. And then next talk about histogram. How the histogram looks like. Let's plot the histogram here. Now let's talk histogram. I need another 30 minutes of your time. I do understand that you people are, it's Sunday, but still it's good learning as well. You try to find out in organization also, you can continue implement these graphs, which your managers, your client definitely likes your approach to visualize your code, guys. All right. Now let's do it quick. Let's plt dot figure and we can say fig size equals to 8 comma 5 or 8 comma 4. So this part is done. Okay, just one moment. Plt.fig.fig size. All right, that's okay. And okay, so we have here comma, right? I have to 2 minutes, 2 minutes. We have to apply the comma. If I don't have comma, but still, let's just wait. Just wait. I want to check and that doesn't matter at all. Let's do this. Okay. So the next one, I want to plt.box plot. Sorry, not histogram, right? I want to say histogram of. Which histogram? I want to know my DF of sales bins. I will talk about sales and bins equals to 5. Bins equals to 5. Color equal to, I want to tab as just automatically. First, let me try sales. I have to put them in a string. So let's put that in string histogram. Bins 5. Okay, color not sky blue. I'll say purple this time. Edge color black. Let's okay. And here sales distributions. Yes, sales frequency. And I don't want to do this. Let's follow this. Unmatched. कहाँ पे error आ गया? PLT dot fig size. Okay, I have to put this now. Let's do it. Great. Do you see, notice this guy, sales distributions. If you see the sales, you got distributions. That means you got one clarity that sales happens, a uniform sales happens between 10,000 to this one, and I can combine like this, guys. I mean, the sales highest happens between 16 to 17, which is good sign because when the sales starting, it not the frequencies. You can see the frequencies, guys. Are you getting my point? So how the sales has visualized using it, and I hope clear all drawings. Would you notice them, guys? Would you notice them? These are the sales happened. Now, next one. Okay, just clear all drawings and okay. So this is sales. Let me histogram. Let me copy and share to you. Just go to the chart window. Then last graph, then no line seems no problem. We'll try to check this. Why the no lines? Because you try to see the scatter plot. I think, uh, okay. So we'll try to do it. Just one moment. Okay. I will go to the next plot. No worries. In the meantime, let me share this code. All right, guys. Yeah. Are you done? The last one. What is the histogram? Are we done? Let's talk. Let's talk about last graph. After scatter plot, we done histogram, then box plot. Now I want to create let's combine all the code and we make a nice graphics to my boss. Okay. So first I will do the box plot. So just one moment. This is the box plot. We're going to do it. Let's copy. Let's do the box plot here. Let's do the box plot here. So you won't get output. Let me restart and run it again. You will, if some, the code would be fine. I don't think so. The code got error. Now let's try plt dot. Okay. We'll fix it later. We'll fix it later. So not right now. Okay, guys. I want to finish this because this is not error, but still we'll see this. Maybe I want to add some parameters here. I want to check this SCA TTER scatter. Okay, I will check this, guys. No problem. So the next one, can we go to the box plot now? So what is box plot? I want to do the box plot here. Every time I want to know the fig size, this is what I start with, fig size. And after that, so plt dot box plot. Okay, this is box plot. In the box plot, I want to make as profit. Okay, I want to make as profit and profit. And after profit, this is false and patch. This is all those things are not required. But let's talk about this, how exactly the graph profit. Now try this. Do you see this guy? Sales box plot. Are you got this one? So what is average sales here? If you see this graph, You can see the box plot, a box plot showing the spread and outliers of profit. You know what is meant by outliers, anyone? So in this graph, when we talk about this, when you talk about this, so for example, there's a two group. This is Apple group, this is banana group. In Apple group, one orange is entry, so the orange is outlier here. So in this box plot, sales box plot, if you try to find out, so just clear all drawings, you can see this would be 25 percentile. This would be 75. I'm sorry. So this would be minimum numbers. Let's control Y. This would be minimum sales. This would be max sales, and this would be mean or median. This would be 25 percentile. This would be 75 percentile. You get all the detail. So you need to little understand this graph. I hope you clear, guys. So let me talk about the box plot. I'm going to see, you also sometimes you also need to analysis, guys. Understand? So let's talk about chat. Everyone, control V. Suresh, which one you want me to explain, buddy? Suresh, okay, which one? Which one, guys? Last one. This one? Okay. So what exactly sales? Can I go to the sales? Let's go up. Okay, it's better. I need to little add on more part. Okay. So DF is profit, and then I equal to false, and the say, and I will tell you the graph true box props. I want to create a dict. Okay. Box props equal to dict. I want to just one moment. So which I want to apply face color. So let's say face color equal to, I want to make as light green. Okay. Now try. Do you see now the graph is more accurate? Because when I try. So sales, what is sales happened? Now, what's your questions? I hope you guys clear. What's your name? Uh, Univariate. Correct. It's univariate. Yes, Naveen, it's univariate. Last one. Suresh, now you got it. अब clear दिख रहा है that sales happen from 2000 to 4000, and in 2000 to 4000 the minimum sales is 2000, the max sales is 4000, and this is what 25% quartile, and this would be the average sales. Now you got clarity, guys? Everyone, please let me know. Please let me know. Understood or not? Yes. Uh, yes, Suresh. Good. Yes, this is univariate now. This is univariate. Okay. So how many graph we done, guys? Here, scatter plot. I want to, let's say, does, okay, black. That's okay. I want to, okay, I'll tell you. So box plot is clear. Next one, file save. Please save all the code, guys. Please save all the code. I'm sharing to you now. Copy and just go to the chart and paste options. Great. Now share. So what we do is I want to, if I show these reports to my client or manager, can you tell me I can't show one by one, correct? I need to install, I need to give him a clarity with these graphs. So what I need to do, I want to install a framework called Gradio. Pip install Gradio. Let's install what is Gradio. I want to show you the Gradio is, let's read the map. So what is Gradio? Build and share machine learning's apps. I want to create an app using Gradio. So quick start, you can follow these documents by write this few lines of code. You can create a front end like this, guys. Understood? So the same app, I want to build it to my business. Just go here and I install my Gradio. And after installations, let's hash it. Hash it means requirement satisfied. Pip install Gradio. You can also do with me, just exclamatory, and hash it means after installations, you need to do it again. So just you can hash it. Let's write uh, the few library import Gradio as GR. Now I'll import pandas as PD. Okay, team. And import matplotlib as import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Okay, that's great. Any MAT. Look at the spell. When the spelling is wrong, you got a liner here. Now, whatever data I created here, so every code I have to combine once, guys. So let me copy, and this data, let's copy, and let me copy this data, and I'll come down and I paste here. Just go for I paste here. Pretty clear? After the paste, all the code I have to run in a functions now. Let's create a functions, define functions. I'll create a function to generate a plot, and I pass argument as plot underscore types, okay, and put the in a column now. So after that, by default, it is 4. So as it is a basic code, I just want you to written as if, elif, else. I hope everyone know about if, elif, else. So I don't write such a hard code at this time. So with simple code, we're going to build it. Let's talk about 8 comma 5. And okay, great. So hold on. Okay, now next one. So if plot type, so how many plot we got? Line plot I plotted first graph. This is my line plot. Okay, great. And this line plot. So let me, if plot type line plots, let's copy that line plots. I'm going to copy everything. And here we go. I just come down and save here. Pretty clear, guys? So just one moment. And okay, so here we go. Control V. That's okay. So I'm going to plt dot. It's better. It's better. I can paste here like that, or if line plot. Hmm. So I have to mention tab and tab, and then I can go like tab, tab, tab. So by default, you can use, I want to remove the plt dot show. Clear this one. So let me repeat again what I done. Whatever code I write, I copy that. If the plot line plot figure is 6 comma 3. Okay. So yeah, this is by default figure, or maybe 8 comma 5. Now I change because the visualization should be more accurate. So if plot type line plot, let me delete it and let's enter. And what is want, guys? Okay, hold on. Plt.plot, month, sales, color blue, the same things we done. Sales trend, monthly sales, grid true, legend. Okay, now I'm going to delete it after we done this. What is next, guys? The next is, can I do another elif? Elif, what is elif? Plot type. What is my second plot? The second plot is stacked bar chart. So the second plot is stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart. Okay. So if bar chart, let's colon. Now what I'm going to do, let's go up. Let's go up and bar chart. So here, let me copy and scroll down and scroll down. Okay, guys. Now control V. Okay. So this is my stacked bar chart. In the stacked bar chart, so I want to write it as, I want to fig dot set little set size. Okay. Inches 10 comma 6. Let's keep it as usual. Width 0.3. And now plt dot bar width is width. The same thing, color sky blue. And then plt dot bar tab, tab, tab. Everything put them in, or else you will get indentations error. So width label equal to profit. This I don't change anything. If I write again, no need to write because we already written the code. I'm just, oops, I'm just copy the same code and I paste here. I want to show the reports to my boss so that I have to make my client satisfactions. Okay. Do you see when your client will satisfy, then only your salary will increase. You got a new promotions. I hope you understood, guys. So this is what normally inexperienced people they will more work on to impress client, and that's what the main focus. Are you clear? So I don't want to tight layout now. It's done, guys. Okay, next one. What is next part? Again, how many graph we have? Two graph we done. Correct, guys? Okay, now look at this. Now third graph. Now what is my third graph? Okay, just elif plot underscore type equal to pie chart. When you say pie chart, the same things here you can also set the figure dot set underscore size. Okay, and inches, let's say 7 comma 7, because 7 comma 7, or you change any file, profit labels, month, and same code which we written earlier, the same thing we doing here, guys. And cm paid dot colors. Okay, yeah, paid dot colors. Now what next? Profit. Okay, profit distributions by month. I'm saying like profit by month. That's okay. So the next one, so if, elif, else. So we have a concepts in Python. The same things we're going to do it now. Now let's try elif again. I want to plot underscore type as, let's say, scatter plot. If you see the scatter plot, in the scatter plot, df sales, okay, sales, and then profit, color green, size 100, edge color black. That's okay. And then I think plt dot, so title. Okay. So plt dot site title, sales versus profit, x level sales. Okay. Y level profit, plot grid true. I'm going to remove this tight layout again. Great. So kitna ho gaya? How many we done? So far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 graphs we plot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now how many I assigned? If, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what else, guys? We left with two more, right? Elif. Now let's scatter plot we done. Let's make histogram. So when you say histogram, let's do it df sales bins color purple, the same thing which I written above there, the same my git. I mean, this is what all about the upgradations of the coding. You need to write every code line by line. Your model, your GPU recommend you to use the advanced code. It will save your time. Pretty clear. Title, sales distribution, sales, and frequency. I don't want grid again. So the last code for today's session, which is, now I want to do it again. Elif, last part, plot. So plot plot type equals to box plot. So there's a box plot, last one, which you plot. Plt dot box plot profit. Okay, word false, and then true. And here face color means light green, or sales box plot. And okay, no, it's not sales box plot. Yeah, it's a sales profit distributions and plt dot tight. That's great. This is what we covered right now. And once we done this, next plt dot tight layout and written figure. Whatever figure we done, those things we need to written figure. Pretty clear? Okay. So just one moment. Anything I got out error, guys, here? Now tab. Good. So if indentations error, see this, guys, I put that backspace, the red line has created or not. So when the red line has created, I have to put them in the elif space here. And that's what we done now. Tab. Great. Now there's no more. Now let's say I'll write a Gradio UI code. Let's write a Gradio UI. UI means I want to create a front-end reports to my boss. I want to plot demo equal to GR interface. And in this GR interface, let's say function, generate plot, inputs radio button. I want to create a radio button, line plot, stack bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, histogram, and box plot. Great. And after that, I just use a input equal to gr. Wait. This one is done. Output equal to gr dot plot. I want to plot as, let's say, label equal to business visualizations, business data, or sales data visualizations, sales data visualizations. Understood, guys. So here we go. Yeah, dot. Okay, we done this. And the next one is title of my UI is sales and profit visual graphics. Okay. Visual insights and descriptions would be just 2 minutes. And descriptions would be choose a chart. Okay. So I'll check this. Choose the type. Choose the type to visualize the data. Great. This one we done. And so here we go. And finally, the next one is open bracket and comma demo.launch. Great. Finally, we done this. Let's see any error I will get. Let's execute. So let's try this. Error label. Where is that? Okay. Label. Now. Great. Now try this. Any more error? LAUN launch demo. Okay. So here, I think now execute unexpected argument. Two minutes, guys. Here, these indentations has demo.launch. Why? Any error? Where to got this, guys? Let's try somewhere. Okay. Return fig. Okay. After return figure, just one moment. Okay, we check this. We check this, guys. Okay. All right. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Elif. Hold on. Let me explain error. I want to close this. Let's close. Okay, just wait. Let me check. Interfaces we done. Generated plot we done. Input, radio button. Okay. Labels. Okay, where is labels? Did I miss labels here, guys? Okay, labels. Choose plot type. That's great here. And after labels, I'm sorry, just one moment. Just selected. Try this box plot. Mm, oops, my bad. So this I have to closed it. Okay, it's done now. And then just 1 second, guys. Just 1 second, no problem. So we can have label now is equals to, I can say, choose plot type. Just choose plot type. Okay. Now close bracket. Here also. Okay, done. And after done, just after done, just output. And then here, let's go to title. Just go to title. And then we go to descriptions. Now try this. Okay. Okay, now just 2 seconds. I want to check where is copy. I want to see this now. All right, just I want to change to this now, demo.launch. Okay, descriptions, just 1 second. Descriptions. Now let me execute. I hope it's work. It looks like, check this, guys. It's loading. Now wait. Okay. Do you see this, guys? We create a running on public. So I'm going to click it. When you click it, guys, are you able to see the front end now? So the app is on live now. If my manager select line plot and submit, okay, great. I got my line plot. If my manager scatter plot, let's submit. Okay, this got scatter plot. And if you got the histogram, let's submit. We got histogram. When you say box plot and submit, you got the box plot. Guys, are you understand? Are you understand, guys? So do you see we create these reports? Did you see we create this report, sales, profit, visual explorer? How many of them clear? Online team, I mean live audience. Now you tell me the business use case which we had right now. So we try to interactive charts, line, bar, pie, scatter, histogram, box plot to analyze the sales and profit trends. Have you got this? Did you see these guys' reports? Isn't it awesome? I mean to say how to visuals, the create, we use a Gradio and we try to, these reports, rather than you report, you can say that this copy and paste it in the PowerPoint. So you can explain to your boss that what is line plot does and how exactly stack bar chart does and what is pie chart does. And look at this scatter plot. You can do many more things. So that's what all about project. So in company, what they do, you get some files from the client, the way I just prepared these reports, where these reports has given by client, and you read these reports and you start working on a project, and you have to know little Python programming to build a graphs. And in this code, if you refer to this now, if you refer to the code, and what is code has written, the code has written just a few things, nothing else. I use the Matplotlib shift tab. You can see the, and also you can use that in if, elif, else, and just one functions we created, guys. Are you clear? So share Gradio, Harish. One moment, I'll copy and I will. I don't think so. Can I share the GitHub, guys? So is it good session? Please answer me. Is it good sessions, guys? Please answer me. How many of them feel that is amazing, awesome, very good? Good session. Yes, it's good. So we get some errors. Errors pakka aana chahiye yaar, because without errors you cannot be a developer. So error has to come. You can try. Yeah. I mean, good session. Flag. Naveen, you can remove flag, you got to know. So rather than you asking me, you can little try them. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll push them in my Git. And I think let's try. Do I have this? Can I share this notepad as well? This notepad. Guys, let me tell you, my new training batch starting from tomorrow, just demo sessions we completed. This is all 5 days recording. Let's copy, and you can refer to the chat window, and I will share. Yes, sir, share all. I'm sharing all of them. Just one moment. Let me close, and I want you to check the GitHub. See, GitHub and Git account, and then select it, my repositories, your repositories. Guys, if you see, I build a lot of practicals on LLMs, and you can see roadmap, A2A protocol, which is advanced trends in agentic AI, hands-on large language model, and 6 months training plan. If you're someone learn, so what would be the plan? MCP, small agents, cloud service, and ED integrations with LLMs, DeepSeek model, MLOps, CI/CD, GitHub Actions, all those things I'll explain to my students, right? So now, see, you are great that you log in. Let me check what are the things I have to share. Matplotlib, okay. Business use case Gradio. I want to add a few more file, upload file, and choose file, and then go to desktop and workshop, and which notes. This is the class notes. I'll upload notes. This is my class code. I'll upload the class code, everything, and just upload. Let's commit. So after the commits, what are the things? So now let me check the notes here. Do I have notes? Read me. No, just one moment. Let me refresh it. Yeah, notes added here in the notes. Okay. Yeah, day 4 recording will be there. So you can try to find out. Well, just one moment. This is, wait. I want to edit few things here. Let's see them. Okay. So new batch will starting. Connect me for connect me in LinkedIn platform. And this would be the live YouTube link. So let's Control X and hash it. Live YouTube link and commit changes. Great. Let's commit changes. So this Monday, I'm explaining to my students how to create Git accounts, how to upload it. So just go here, and I will share these notes. Please, a pull request. So guys, I want everyone to go to Naresh IT YouTube, and you can subscribe to NIT channel on Instagram, all those things. Let's copy. Okay. So guys, can you great and excellent session. Salute. Very good, Ajay. Thank you. So online team, I need your comments, likes on YouTube, so that you just go to NIT. Let's go to YouTube here, YouTube, and you click it, and you say like, just if you see the first visualizations data with Matplotlib, my name, Prakash Senapathi. So you just log into this, and you can likes it, and you leave your comment and what upcoming things you want. Please let me know. I will come up with your new topics, guys. Are you clear? So the new batch is going on, and I want you to scan this QR code to join the batch. Please scan it. This is Google Lens WhatsApp group, and I'll post my GitHub here. And this is my GitHub account I posted. Everyone find out. And also, I'm sharing the live. So I want everyone to open your YouTube link, select the YouTube link, and you give your likes and thumbs up and share your friends and comment it, guys. I shared the Git profile, Arun. How this can utilize for solution architecture. I mean this customers as a POC. Suresh, what questions you asking, man? You feel like you're experienced, right? Solution architectures, why they do this? Suresh, understand? So this is just a POC. When you, for solution architects, it's just your job is architect a project, right? When your team is working, you need project gathering, and then you have to show to the visuals. Your customers not happy with this small graph. You need to showcase with Power BI dashboards. You whatever you have existing customers, whatever existing projects you done, you have to showcase to the customers rather than this one. I hope you understood. I mean, upcoming classes. Oh, okay. Upcoming classes is all about the session which is going on. It's a full stack data science class. I want to show you in that full stack data science, these topics will cover. So that's why once you, okay, I will share this link today. One moment. The link which I shared today, I want to little open it. Just one moment. Workshop notes. And this is 5 recording session done. You just copy and you will find out who can all those things, guys. Little you can check that. That's what. So this is all the sessions we conducted earlier. You can watch it in this session. What are the topics covered? It's clearly visible here. Agentic AI. If you see this one in this topic, in this session, these topics I'll cover. Let me, okay, just 2 minutes. Agentic AI, generative AI, prompt engineer, large language model, AI, deep learning neural network, NLP, machine learning, data science, DABA, SQL, stats, Python, Tableau, Power BI, ML, linear algebra, all the topics cover in the session. So that's what I'm sharing the 5 days link. You can watch it, and I hope I'm sure you're going to be understood, guys. Clear now, people? Okay, then I will talk to you tomorrow. Sure. You join tomorrow, and I need to become data analyst. See, Naveen, how do you say you become a data analyst? How do you say? You never become a data analyst, man. Many people are coming. Can someone respond to me? Prashant, what's your query? Can you please put your questions or upload file? Your work. I already upload RAM in Git. I already upload. Can you please check that? So I cannot see the graph. Rishikesh, graph, you have to write the code. Can you check it in this GitHub? In this GitHub, when you try to open a IPynb file, okay, when you open a IPynb file, just open this and you see the graph. Are you able to see the graph now? Yes, these are the graph. You can find out. And when you run the code will work in Gradio UI. Yes, yes. Where is GitHub link? Hey, man, I already share, man. Just one moment. Can you check? Let's copy. Let's copy everyone. Okay, got it. Did you? I'll post the GitHub link again. It got worked. Great. Sir, but my copy is not working. Fix it after the class. After the class, fix it. Now, main problem of the students are how do you become unable to understand? I want to become that it. I'm trying from Triple IT Indo. Naveen, if you Triple IT or NASCOM or you're from BITS Pilani or from, like Oxford, doesn't matter. Understand, Naveen? If we don't understand anything, okay, we don't know who am I, what I'm doing, what is my goal, where I should do, what I should do, what is my job market. It's never understand. Naveen, are you clear what I'm speaking? Yes. So if you IIT, what? So what? correct? If we can't answer the questions asked my vendor client, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so what I'm trying to speak is, one moment. Oh, did I share the stopped? Yeah. Why I'm unable to copy the webinar chart? No, Prashant. No one is able to copy. No one is able to copy the webinar chart. So I will share the GitHub. You can open the GitHub, Prashant. And the way this session is going live on YouTube, you got the YouTube files, guys? The YouTube link. Let me share it again. Let's copy. Yeah, I got it. Okay, great. So now any questions you can ask, guys. This is best way where you can talk to me and we can share the knowledge. Okay. All right. Any more questions? So guys, if you really like it, so this is fantastic sessions. Thank you, Suresh. And see, entire 6 months, I will tell you the concepts with meaning. You need to know kiske liye padhna hai, why we need to study, how much salary, and what companies works. See, many people are, so what time the classes will going forward? The classes will be starting Monday to Saturday at 4 p.m. Monday to Saturday at 4 p.m. IST. So that's why the 5 sessions only covered. If you watch it, things I explain, sir, is it 5, 4 p.m., man? Problem because I ask how to upskill, become, oh, okay. Naveen, no. See, coding is really not a matter at all, Naveen. Yeah. So correct. Morning session available. Can you make it 5:30? No, because of you, I can't change, Prashant. All right, because I have 5:30 means you have to wait for 5:30 other session going on. If you want to join, the machine learning topic started for that. So if you're good at Python, then that's fine. All right, Prashant. Okay, Naveen, answer to your query. See, data analyst required little skills, but not that coding like Java. The code which you did, it's a very simple. So before you code, you need to little proper guidance required, like how do concepts is important. The way I got error, I fix it. Again, I got error, I fix it. Again, I got error. So this is what happens. Yes, Navin. So it's not a rocket science. I know you can easily do it, but you need a proper guidance. So that's why I'm missing there. Am I correct? Okay. See, right now, uh, the batch is going on at 4 p.m., guys. Can you please scan this QR code, everyone? I want everybody to scan this QR code and let me know. Did you join the WhatsApp group? This is WhatsApp group on daily basis. The things would be there. Yeah. So Navin, you don't decide you do data analyst or data science. You just focus on your skill and apply jobs and aim for good package. That's it. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm working with 1 year. Just to CPS. No, man, they won't teach you. The way we teach in Naresh IT, no one, you never get it. Okay. Especially my students, they work more. I will make you work. If you want to work, guys, please come and make connections. Okay. Can you please scan this QR code? Everyone done? So did you join in WhatsApp group? Did you join WhatsApp group? Please let me know. Okay. You open a Google Lens and scan it. Once you scan, so the new batch is going to start already just start from tomorrow. I want you to, if you need more topics like that, I want you to just attend the sessions and I'll unmute you. We will speak together. We will see that where exactly the problem lies on. And see, right now the job market has little weird because of wars going on, and sometimes the less call compared to first month. So this is a time to wrap up. This is the time where you spend more on learning, and after that you can apply in the job market. Pretty clear, guys? So any questions so far? Any questions so far, team? Scanned it. Great. Clear. So worked. So please scan this QR code and join the WhatsApp group. Nice session. So can I expect a comment, guys, in the video link, or likes and comments, and share to your friends, and subscribe to NIT channel as well. So I'm signing off, and you can connect me in LinkedIn for any further question. Thank you. So why are you saying it's more difficult? Super class. Why are you saying it is more difficult? No, I didn't say any difficulties, guys. Did I say any difficult? You not understand. What I'm saying, in the world, nothing is difficult. Correct? Yes, Naveen. In the world, oh, data analyst. Data analyst is easy, man. Because let's assume, Naveen, a company paying you 1 CR and the designation is software engineer. Would you say, I want data analyst only? Answer me. You getting my point? Or now you will say, nahi mere ko data analyst hi chahiye, then only join. You skip 1 CR offer. So that's what I'm saying. So these designation is just a designations. You can't decide. The designation has standards created by companies. So we have to follow the standards. Clear? Understand? Yes. So that's what I'm saying. So in resume, you mentioned data analyst, but offer they'll give you software engineer. Not bad. Okay. I hope you clear. Thanks for awesome session. Good. Thank you, guys. And okay, that's it for today. And see you tomorrow. Happy weekends, and meet you in the session tomorrow at 4 p.m. What a skills software engineer. See, I need to again take a one-on-one session for that. You need to be have clarity what is software engineer. Okay, so now my questions to you, Naveen. Are you new to this software field? Yes. Okay, I will tell you later. I will tell you, Naveen, tell me, football is different, hockey is different, cricket is different, basketball different, everything is different or not? Answer me yes or no. Yes. Software engineer, everything is software engineer. Java is different, .NET is different, Python is different. These are the languages. ये पूरा languages है, ठीक है? And when you create applications, some companies use Java language, some companies use Python language, some companies use C++ language. To learn to want to become a data analyst, you need few skills. I will tell you what are the skills you wanted to become a data analyst. The first skills you want to know to become a data analyst is SQL. आपको SQL सीखना है, Python, and then Tableau, and then Power BI, and then little stats, probability, little start, probability. All right, guys. And then Microsoft VB, Visual Basis. All right. And then good at Excel. Then you have MS Office skills and good comm skills, communication skills, and then visual. That's it. Are you clear? This is all skills required to become a data analyst. Are you understand? Please take a photo. Please take a photo. समझ में आ गया आपको पूरा? Super. Great. I'm technical lead in Azure. So my question, how can I use this tech and integrations to Azure or .NET? Suresh, do not only lie about only Azure and .NET. Right now, you're working in one company, you're doing Azure. Tomorrow, you change another company, might be Azure is not working, right? Yes. So, yes, Azure is a platform where every models has to be integrated with Azure. Yes. Now, .NET also, thank you. All right. Thank you, Naveen. You can also comment and like it, buddy. Happy weekends, guys. Yeah, Suresh, by learning these skills, you can integrations with Azure, you can integrations with .NET. There's a lot of things happens. So that's why once you get expert on all those things, you got slowly understood. Getting my point? Yes. The visualizations, a lot of data engineering, the Databricks is there, automatic visualize. In Azure, you do have Azure AI. In Azure AI, these library auto integrations. So you don't need to write a separate code for it. You have to follow the Databricks tool and you have to follow some integrations with that. That's the way it is possible. All right. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. So except starts Power BI, we remaining got. Fantastic. Thank you. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Happy weekends and good day and goodbye, guys. Thanks. Thanks, Suresh. Bye.